Good morning, Year 9. I hope you're all well. I'm here to introduce you to GCSE psychology as an option. So, to begin with, what is psychology? Well, psychology is the study of the human mind and behaviour, and it's going to help you to gain knowledge and understanding of key psychological approaches through the investigation and observation of specific human behaviours. So it'll be things looking at human development from a young child to an adult, as well as memory and how our memory works, psychological problems, so they could be things like mental disorders, social influence, so how does society influence you and how you think, and also looking at criminal psychology. And it's all about you developing your analytical skills by comparing and contrasting different theories and drawing reasoned conclusions from that. So the different topics you'll study through psychology is quite a big range. So there are 11 topics in total, and they are split between years 10 and 11. So in year 10, you do the first 5. So you look at development and how you develop, memory, how memory works, psychological problems, and how they could affect you, the brain and neuropsychology, so how does your brain affect you, social influence, which is how do others affect you. And then in year 11, you do the remaining 6 topics. So criminal psychology, why do people become criminals? The self and what makes you who you are. Perception, which is all about how you interpret the world around you. Sleeping and dreaming, so why do you need to sleep and dream? Language, thought and communication, which is all about how you communicate with others. And finally, research methods, so how do psychologists carry out psychological research. So how are you assessed for GCSE sociology? So it's a 100% exam, there's no coursework, and the exam is made up of short answer and long answer questions, and there are 2 exams in total. The first one is paper 1, that's an hour and 45 minutes, and you can get 98 marks in that paper. This is about a mark a minute. And paper 2 is an hour and 20 minutes with 79 marks, which is also about a mark a minute. So psychology is a really interesting subject. It's really hard, and it has a lot of content that you must learn and be able to recall in order to be successful. But it also has lots of different career paths that you can follow. So you can go into careers in social sciences. So you could be looking at social work and mental health problems. You can go into medical professions. You can go into any sort of criminal study, forensics, teaching, nursing, and things like law and media as well. If you have any questions, please do let me know, and I hope that you consider studying psychology as a GCSE option. Enjoy the rest of your day.